Hello, hi everybody, welcome back. Mahalo for watching. My name is Gabe, and in this video I'm going to teach you how I make a seashell necklace out of coconut fiber cordage, handmade, and a seashell that I'll gather from the coast. Everything you can find by the coast in a tropical environment. You can make this in Florida. I bet you can even make it in parts of California. You could find seashells and coconuts, maybe not. But I'm lucky here, and I wanted to give back to Sarah. She sent me so much stuff, and I'll provide a link in the description box if you want to help support the channel. And that link will be to my GoFundMe campaign, and also I'll provide my address in the description box if you want to send me something. Much mahalo, everyone. Thank you so much for the support in this time of disaster. I want to give back to Sarah by making something special, handmade seashell necklace. So don't go away, check out how I do this. First, you're going to need a good sharp machete and the husk part of this coconut. Now you want the older coconuts that you find on the ground, and they have strong fiber. You want the longest one you can find. You just kind of go like this and cut a straight line down the middle, or middle as you can. Don't want to bust the shell. Want to cut some lines down the coconut. Careful, safety first. Okay, that's good for now. So what you want to do, you want to get these fibers, then you want to separate them into little bundles. And get all the husk part off. Okay, remember, twist, 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 till it won't twist anymore on the right, and then completely reverse it. Boom, just like that. Now this is almost done here. I think this is a long enough cord for, let's see if we can get a focus. Long enough cord for a seashell necklace. I think that's good there. And just keep twisting, get the final length done. And I just want to thank Sarah again. This was awesome of her to feed people of Puna. She sent my cat some food. She sent me a bunch of food. I distributed some of it and ate some of it. It was really good. I want to thank you, Sarah. She sent some survival items, which is really cool. I'm going to test those out probably this weekend and make some videos. So, I got a little blister. I'm not used to doing this. You don't do this every day. It could be tough, you know. I mean, it takes a while. And then once you get it down, you can be pretty quick. Right? So this is just a reverse wrap with coconut fiber. And it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good so far. Now next I will drill a hole in the seashell and we'll attach it to with a piece of wire, and then I'm going to attach it to the cordage. Just twist, 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 twist. Okay, there we go. I think that'll look good. And now we just attach the seashell and get that going. So stay tuned. Okay, not the prettiest, but it'll work. Now I just feed it through the coconut cordage. Seashell necklace done. I want to thank Sarah again. Thank you so much for sending me all the food and all the items in this time of disaster. I'm in a lava disaster zone. That's where I live. I just want to thank you, Sarah. Thank you so much. I will be sending this to you shortly. Wow, thank you so much. I'm so blessed. I just want to thank everyone for their concerns, their well wishes, for all the items that you've sent me, all the food, everything. That's awesome. Thank you so much. And I'll provide my address in the description box if you want to send me something. That would be awesome. And I will provide a link to my GoFundMe if you want to support my channel and support what I'm doing in this time of disaster, because a lot of my jobs have been destroyed and YouTube really is the only job that I have right now. So I just want to thank everyone again. Much mahalo. I feel so blessed by this community. Thank you so much. Hit that like button, comment, love all your comments, share this video. You know, everyone should learn how to make cordage, right? And you can do this with all sorts of natural material, not just coconut fiber. You can do it with bark, roots, all sorts of stuff. So this is a good skill to have. And hit that red subscribe button, because I will have further content like this in the future. Wow. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, everyone. Much mahalo. And until next time, ahui!